I'm telling my own now. I'm telling my own.
Tell your own.
Yes, now. This is my business that I'm doing.
Kabakusa. When you become a big boss for village?
See, that is nice. Oh. When you go back to the village, you start telling people what I'm doing in the village.
I'm surprised though.
What I'm doing.
Like this guest.
Daniela, come back here, come back here. Why do you come back from school by this time?
Is it not my teacher?
What happened with your teacher? Did she beat you?
No, she has a blockhead. Even letter A is as big as this house. In fact, I don't want to go back to that school.
Will you keep quiet?
So, is that the reason why you say you don't want to go back to that school?
Yes, because there's no need. She has a blockhead like you.
Jesus
I mean you.
is Lord.
Daniela. Kabakusa. Even if your father has a blockhead, which I know he does, must you say it? Your mother and co.
Two blind people cannot reach each other. So my mother does not have a blockhead like you.
Hey! Come back, come back. Go and think of what that girl said. Please subscribe to the Rich Comedy House. Alright, see you next Sunday. Now let's say cheese. 1, 2, ready, go. Cheers!